University of Adelaide and its students wanted a central learning environment that mimicked the outdoors, with natural light and 100% outdoor air. The space was named Hub Central, and Climate Wizard was the perfect air conditioning solution. So let's take a look at the key features of the Climate Wizard. Fresh outside air is drawn into the Climate Wizard through this set of louvers at roof level. Behind the louvers is a set of replaceable bag filters that clean the air before it's drawn into the multiple supply fans. High-pressure air provided by the fans is forced through the high-volume modules to the supply plenum on the other side. The moist exhaust air from the high-volume modules is ducted vertically through the roof to outside. Hot water coils and bypass dampers are utilised in winter to provide heat to the hub. Cool supply air comes through the high-volume module to the supply plenum and is distributed to the space below through a number of ducts. These are the ducts and special delivery diffusers that allow Climate Wizard to cool the whole area effectively. 2 years after the commissioning date, the central Climate Wizard air conditioning system hasn't skipped a beat.
The brief from the students during the consultation was to deliver an outdoor space inside. The Climate Wizard certainly delivered that. I'm Simon Fennick, I'm the Senior Project Officer for the University of Adelaide. I was responsible for delivering the Learning Hub on behalf of the University. Feedback from campus services has indicated that the running costs are actually lower than what was indicated during the design briefing.
This facility was designed to produce 465 kilowatts of cooling at a design condition of 45 degrees centigrade and 21 degrees wet bulb. My name's Peter McBratney and I was the lead engineer on the Climate Wizard installation at the University of Adelaide. In summertime, when it's 45 degrees outside, we will have about 22 degrees maintained within the building here.
The maximum cooling capacity is 465 kilowatts with an input power of only 37.8 kilowatts, delivering an average summer coefficient of performance of 12, 4 times more efficient than a refrigerated system, an energy efficiency rating of 41 and power savings of 73.5% over a chilled water system. Climate Wizard can slash up to 80% off the power costs of traditional refrigerated air conditioning. Find out for yourself at climatewizard.com.au.